If we looked at your background, you should have been a basket case. You should have had a nervous breakdown and lost your mind. But there's something in your gut, in your heart, in your spirit, in your innermost being that said, hold on. That instinct, that still small voice is about to turn your life around.
And it doesn't matter how you get knocked down in life, because that's going to happen. All that matters is that you got to get up.
Fall down, get back up again. Fall down, get back up again. Fall down,
if we looked at your
back
background,
up again.
you should
It
have
ain't
been a
about how
basket
hard you
case.
hit. It's about how hard
should
you
have had a
can
nervous
get hit
breakdown and lost
and
your
keep
mind.
moving forward. How much you can
But there's
take
something
and
in your
keep
gut,
moving
in your
forward.
heart, in your
That's how
spirit,
winning is done.
in your innermost being.
The
that
hardships
said,
that
hold
we've
on.
had are actually the things that teach us
instinct,
the skills and the perspective
still
we
small
need
voice
to actually become what we want
is
to be.
about to turn
And
your
if you
life
quit,
around.
if you falter,
And it
if you
doesn't
stop,
matter
all the
how you get
pain
knocked down in
will
life,
be for nothing.
because that's going to happen.
Now, if you know
All
what
that
you're
matters
worth,
is that
then
you
go
gotta
out and
get
get what you're worth. But you
Fall
gotta be
down,
willing to take
get
the
back
hits
up again.
and not
Fall
pointing
down,
fingers
get
saying
back up
you ain't where
again.
you want to be
Fall
because
down,
of him
get
or
back
her
up
or
again.
anybody.
It ain't about
Cowards do
how
that,
hard
and that
you
ain't
hit.
you.
It's about
You're
how
better
hard
than
you can
that.
get hit
You control
and keep
yourself, you
moving
control
forward. How
your
much you can
emotions.
take and keep
Angry,
moving
don't
forward.
get frustrated.
That's how
Instead,
winning is done.
Stay calm and figure out
The
how
hardships
to
that
move
we've had
forward.
are actually
Don't
the
you
things
stop
that
until you
teach
turn
us
that
the
house into a
skills
home,
and the
that message
perspective
to
we
a
need
message,
to actually
that test
become
into
what
a
we want to be.
testimony.
And if you
Don't you
quit,
stop
if you
until you see
falter,
increase.
if you stop,
Whatever it is I want, this price is going to get much higher than this. It's going to get
Now, if you
harder
know
than
what you're worth,
this.
then
And
go
I've
out and get
decided
what
in
you're worth.
advance it's
But you
going to
gotta
be
be willing to
difficult, and
take
I've
the
decided in
hits
advance to
and
stay
not
in.
pointing
I'm going
fingers
to stay in the
saying,
hunt.
you ain't
I'm
where
going to
you
stay
wanna be
fighting. I'm
because
going to
of
stay
him
busting
or
it.
her
I'm
or
going to pay the
anybody.
price until I
Cowards
get
do that,
what
and
it
that
is
ain't
that I
you.
deserve.
You're better than that.
Play control of yourself, get control of your emotions.
Everything. Stand
Angry,
up.
don't get
Hold your back
frustrated.
a little bit.
Instead,
Start to walk
stay
a little
calm
different. Start to
and
be that
figure out
best version
how
of you.
to
You
move
need to look
forward.
yourself in the mirror and encourage yourself and say, I'm still gifted. I've been through some pain, but I'm still gifted. I've buried some loved ones, but I'm still gifted. I've had some
Whatever it is I want, this price is going to get much higher than this. It's going to get harder than this. And I've decided in advance it's going to be difficult, and I've decided in advance to stay in. I'm going to stay in the hunt. I'm going to stay fighting. I'm going to stay busting it. I'm going to pay the price until I get what it is that I deserve.
It takes a decision. I'm where I'm at because I just flat decided at some point I get to choose who I am. The world doesn't tell me who I am. And in every family there's a the one that eventually shows up in the
yourself in the mirror and encourage yourself and say, I'm still gifted. I've been through some pain, but I'm still gifted. I've buried some loved ones, but I'm still gifted. I've had some setbacks, but I'm still gifted.
You have to resolve yourself today that you're going to win, that you're going to dominate. It's not average and ordinary. That's when you come a point where you make a decision. We're going to dominate. We're here to win. We are not here to play. And that takes some intestinal fortitude. It takes a decision. I'm where I'm at because I just flat decided at some point I get to just choose who I am. The world doesn't tell me who I am. And in every family there's a the one that eventually shows up in a family.
The people that are running after their dream know they're going to have hard times. They keep on running because they're saying within themselves, I'm the one. I'm the one. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, no business. I'm going to make it. You've got to resolve within yourself that I'm the one. I'm the one to make this happen. I'm the one to become successful in this business. But you know it's going to be hard, but find out what will make it worth it for you. When life drops you to your knees, your reasons will help you get back up. Why are you here, Les? Because I want to make Mama proud of me. Why are you here, Les? I promised my kids something to do for them. I'm going to give them a better life. I want to leave them a legacy. I'm not going to give up. Go back, fool, go back. No. The people that are running after their dream know they're going to have hard times. They keep on running because they're saying within themselves, I'm the one. I'm the one. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I'm going to make it.